Hi everyone! Over the next half term, you'll receive weekly videos detailing different revision strategies proven by research to be highly effective. When I ask students about how they prepare for assessments and exams, I'll normally receive a couple of comments, including firstly that they don't know how to revise effectively, or secondly that their major method of revision involves copying out their notes from their books or simply reading over the information over and over again. Now, whilst reading through your books and revision notes can be really useful, particularly in between lessons for aiding understanding, it is what we call a form of passive revision, which means that you are less likely to remember the information because you are not, as you are just reading through or just copying out the notes, you're not actually using that information and processing it in any way. So passive revision strategies take up a lot of time and do not actually produce the kind of results that you need to be highly effective in your preparation for exams. So the first active revision strategy that we are going to look at is the use of flashcards. Flashcards, like the ones shown here, can be used for any subject. However, they are particularly useful for those lessons or topics where there is a lot of recall involved. So this means that there's lots of facts and information that you need to remember. So these cards can be easily handmade using scissors and card or lined paper. However, the multicoloured packs of flashcards are available to buy in places like B&M Bargains for £1 for a big pack. They're also sold in most supermarkets, including Tesco. So they're really easy to pick up and a really useful way of preparing for any tests or exams. Now, it's very easy to fall into the trap of just copying over your notes from your exercise books or revision guides onto smaller cards. That is not why flashcards are really useful, and that's not the best way to use them. Flashcards should be produced with either a question or key term or keyword on one side, with the answer or definition on the other side of the card. Now, the most important thing to remember when using flashcards to revise is that they must cause you to do active revision. So here are a set of cards prepared by a Year 11 in preparation for a RE assessment, and you can see that there are questions on one side with the number of marks that would be available in an exam for this, and then with the mark scheme style answer on the reverse. So now you have your set of flashcards produced, it's time to start testing your knowledge, and you can do this by answering the questions on paper, on a mini whiteboard, or even by saying the answer out loud. Now, this is where you will be trying to write down everything that you can remember or the definition of the keyword, and then you'll check the answer on the back and make a comparison. It's really important to remember that when you use your flashcards, you need to be testing your knowledge and comparing the answer or definition on the back of the card with what you have written or said aloud, so that you can see which parts of the answer you are missing and which areas you need to continue to work on and continue to revise. As you work your way through the pile of flashcards, it's good to have two separate piles. Those definitions or answers which you have correct and you know that you've learnt them, and a separate pile for those which require a little bit more work and a little bit more revision. Those answers and definitions that you can correctly recall should go to the back of the pile, while those that you are still struggling with should stay then at the front of the pile, so that they are the first ones that you tackle on your next session revising with your flashcards. So I hope that some of you found that useful and are now a little bit more confident in how to give these a go. If you haven't ever tried using flashcards as part of your revision, please do give it a go. It's very, very useful and is proven by research to help your long-term memory and help you to remember all of that information that you will need for your upcoming assessments and exams.